Greetings, everyone. My name is I'm Chef Vitalis. I'm the founder of Better Future for All Association, and equally the team lead, the team lead of this project, which we call pharmafast. So today I'm going to do a demo, and the demo that I'll be using the web app. I beg your pardon, because we have a mobile app, and we equally have a web app as well. So I'll be using the web app to do this demo. To have access to the web app, you just go to Google, and then you type pharmafast.org. Now we have pharmafast.org. Let me log out. It's because I have to log out, and then come in. Okay, so we are here. So actually, when you log in, it will take you to the page, and then if you don't have an account, you will then have to create one. Or if you already have an account, and then you just have to input your information. Let me just say I don't have an account. I'll go to sign up, and then my name, let me just say I'm John Paul. And then I can create, I can use a password. Confirm password. Okay, then I go to next. So when I go to next, I change my country. You see I'm in Cameroon. I input my telephone number. I have to remove the code. So you choose your country. If you are in the US, if you are depending the country where you are, so you choose. Let me choose, let me take Cameroon, for example. And then this one, email is optional. The reason why we did email is optional because for most people back home, but for most people in Cameroon and Africa at large, majority of people don't actually have email addresses. So we did this one, the telephone number, which it is mandatory because most of them have access to mobile phones. So that is the reason why the email is optional. So even if you are not in Cameroon, you can take any of these addresses. There is no problem with that. You will still have, and then you choose any address, even in there is no problem. Like here, maybe if I just say street. Okay, I'm already here. Now I have to send this so that a code will be sent to my number. And then when a code will be sent with 6 digits, I already have an account with this one, so I'm not going to do it. You click on it, the code will be sent. And then after that, you confirm the code, and then that is all, you are good to go. That is all, you are good to go. Then you can then log in now with your telephone number. You can then log in with your phone number. You will then come here, we'll bring you here now, where I'll put my telephone number, and then I put my email address, my password, I beg your pardon, and then I log in. Sorry about that. No, I have to remove the code. Yep. No. No, what is 675324905? I don't need this code. Okay. So when you now log into the main page of pharmafast, There is actually what you're going to see. This is what you will find. Actually, this section, users are not going to see this section. I'm saying this because I happen to be one of the admin. So that is a reason why I'm seeing this section. But for the purpose of this demo, I think it is necessary for me to show everything that is there. So this is actually what users are going to see. As you can see, search this week. So these are the medication. These are the medications that a lot of people have searched for this particular week. And next week is going to be a different one. So that is it is. And then here we have what we call the main store. On our main store, we have a list of approved medications by the Cameroon government. We have about 5,000 medication found here with the estimated prices. We're able to get this list from the delegates of public health, this list, because normally this is the minimum price that they're supposed to sell this medication. So we have it there. The reason why we put these estimated prices here, because when you go to some pharmacies, maybe to some pharmacies, this might be 2,000. It could be less at the price. It could be maybe 2,910 francs. It could be 3,050 francs, but the differences are not that huge. So that is the reason why we have here estimated price. Now, users can also, let me just say you need medication, rather than you strolling up and down, you can just go to the search bar. I need Paracet. I type paracetamol, and then you'll be able to see the Paracet, the Paracet that are there. Here we have Paracet for children. We have 100 milliliter. We have, so, and then you're able to, when you now see it, you see the price, it will help you as you are not going to the pharmacy. You know that at least this particular medication with the price of 850, you should carry at least, or you should carry at least 900 francs, which you know that with 900 francs, you'll be able to purchase this medication. And that we equally, on the main store also, we equally have a pharmacy bank. Here we have about 1,000 pharmacies that are found all over the national territory of Cameroon. Yes, here you could search by region, because in Cameroon, we have 10 regions in the country. That is the reason why you see we have here in the Northwest. So if I click on this Northwest, I'll be able to see pharmacies that are found in the Northwest region of Cameroon, which the main town is Bamenda. As you can see, this is Bamenda. This is another small, a small city there in this particular area, in this particular region. We could also go to Southwest region of the country, yeah, which with the capital city of, which is Boya. These are the pharmacies that are found in this region. This is in Boya. This one is found in a place called Kumba. This one is found in a place, this one is in Tico. And then this one is in Limbe. So you'll be able to see all these pharmacies that are found in this region. So just like that, we go to Littoral. Littoral, which is in Douala, one of the most populated city in Cameroon. So we have the pharmacies that are found in Littoral region, not only in the city of Douala, but in Littoral region, because we are found all over the national territory. We are not only found we don't only have pharmacies that are in big cities, but we equally have pharmacies that are also found in small towns in Cameroon. So yeah, these are the pharmacies that are found in Littoral region. We have them here. Though it is true, most of the pharmacies are found in Douala, in the city of Douala. Yeah, there are few, like here we have Edia, it's a small town. In this region, we have Kongsamba. And then I think we equally have Mbanga Lum, yes. So the receipt, users will be able to see these pharmacies. If we go to the next to Adamawa, we'll see pharmacies that are found. We'll see pharmacies that are found in this Adamawa region, just like that. So let me go to. We were able to get some of these pharmacies on our platform because this one we call it the main store. We're able to get some of the pharmacies because we could not actually. We need some other information. If the pharmacy is actually registered, we need their longitude and their latitude to have their geolocation. So we're able to get that. This is actually, though we have about 1,000 pharmacies, but these are not all the pharmacies that are in Cameroon. So we can also, okay, and then here we have this one. We have here molecular pharmacy, etc. And then here equally, when you come here, you can click here. It will take you directly. It will take you to Play Store where you can download the app. And then here we have our contact details. We have, so you can subscribe. Users can subscribe to email newsletters if there is any update, as we will be coming up with some other features so that we then inform, we keep them posted. So let me just see. Okay, so yeah, we have what we call pharmafast pharmacy management system. Unlike the main store where we have seen a list of all the pharmacies and about 5,000 medications with their estimated prices, when you visit this pharmafast pharmacy management system, though it is still, they have not yet finished, they haven't finished with the work, the developer, they're still trying to do the finishing touches. And then on that, and we have equally, though the work that is remaining is not huge because we have sent some letters of intent to pharmacies to test this particular feature. So with this one, the pharmacy that you're going to see here, like here we have molecular pharmacy. Pharmacies that you are going to see here are those that we now have the data on our platform, those that are going to have a shop on our platform. As of now, we don't have any pharmacy. Had it been we have a pharmacy, you'll be able to see when you now go here, like maybe you will not come here, you'll be able to see their data. Any information that will be seen here will be that of this pharmacy, depending on what you have chosen. Let us go to upload prescription. So this is where users, let me just say, you need a particular medication. You are very busy. You cannot, maybe at your job site, you don't have time to go to the pharmacy, or maybe there is a lockdown. You are trying to respect the measures put in place by the government to avoid being contaminated or the spray of COVID-19. You can upload your prescription directly to this molecular pharmacy, and then if they have the medication, and then we, pharmafast, will then deliver it to you. As you can see, prescription must be signed by an authorized medical practitioner, because if you upload a fake prescription, normally the pharmacies will be able to know that this is a fake prescription, or if it is maybe visible, they will then tell you. So here you can upload about 3 prescription. Let me just say this is my prescription that I want to upload. And then if I want to place another, then I will choose the date 2021. Let me just say February 10, 2021, I close it. The time that I want this medication to be delivered to me, let me just say I want that they should deliver it to me at exactly 2 p.m. I choose it. As you can see, I want that it should be delivered to me on February 10, 2021 at 2 p.m. Delivery address. Let me just say I am at Moliko Street. Moliko Street. And then I can equally drop a note. Kindly check my request. And then I hit submit button. So when I hit the submit, button, as you can see, we have already sent this to this particular pharmacy. The admin of this pharmacy, the one who is managing, who's in charge managing pharmafast pharmacy management system as this pharmacy, will now be able, will receive a notification that they have sent a prescription to their pharmacy, a request to their pharmacy, and then they will now go through and see if that particular medication is available, and then they will get back to the user. Now, users also will be able to track their order. If it is pending, they will be able to see it here that it's pending. If there is an error, it will be indicated here. Maybe it is an error on red. If there is, maybe it is not visible, they will be informed, and then they will track it here. If it is unavailable, they will see it here from the response of this particular pharmacy. If it is available, it has already been delivered, they will see it here. So let us go back to pharmafast pharmacy management system. Now, we equally also know that there are some drugs. Now, had it been that this molecular pharmacy is in partnership with us, we've been able to see the drugs that are available at this pharmacy at this particular moment. That is the stock that are available and the normal price. Here now, it is not the normal price. It's not the estimated price. Will then be the real price that molecular pharmacy is offering this particular medication. Since we don't have one, we don't have it, and then we call it a category of that medications. We also be able to see it here and the description as well of that particular drug. Drug request. We equally know there are some medications that we can order. There are some medications that we can order when even we don't need a prescription. I think it is allowed. There are some medications, maybe you just have a fever, you need paracetamol or some other medication. You will come here. You want to do it to a particular pharmacy. Since we don't have any pharmacy here, that is the reason why we don't have any medication here. The name of the drug, you will put it here, the quantity that you want. When you put the quantity, and then it will then sum, you click on this one, it will sum everything, the total drug that you want, the quantity, the unit, the quantity, and then the price, unit price will be, and then it will give you the total price of that medication. If you want to go and purchase it, you go directly to the pharmacy. If you want to place an order, you follow the same step as we did, and then you place an order, and then we will deliver it to you within a very short period of time. Okay, another feature also, and then users also, if this pharmacy is in partnership with us, they'll be able to see their opening and closing time. They will be able to see their opening and closing time, schedule when they opened, from the time that they opened, and then the closing time as well. Let me just say that I am new in Cameroon, or I am new in a particular neighborhood, and then I don't know where pharmacy. I'm looking for a particular pharmacy around me to get my medication. Like this, let me just say like this pharmacy here in Limbe. I don't know where this pharmacy is found, and then I want to know the distance that I can cover to reach this particular pharmacy. Let me just say I am at my 4, okay, let me just say my 4 in Limbe. So they say that if I'm using a car, in order for me to arrive at this pharmacy in Limbe, it will take me 10 minutes. From here to here is going to take me 10 minutes. And also if I'm trekking, it's going to take me at least like 45, let's just say at about an hour to arrive at this pharmacy. And if I don't know the direction of this pharmacy, I can equally use this map to help me with the direction, to guide me to reach to this particular pharmacy. So that is actually how the future, the geolocation future of pharmafast functions. And then we could equally switch the language. Cameroon happens to be a bilingual country. So if maybe you are a French, your first language is French, you can then switch to French, and then it will change to French. So as an admin now, since I happen to be an admin, but users that are not admin, administration, they will only be able to find these features. And then as an admin, so this is actually how it will look. There is what I'll be able to see, the prescription that are going to upload. Even us at pharmafast will be able to see it. The commands, as you can see here, the medication, the category. We can add to stock of pharmacies. We can then program, we can create closing and working hours. We can manage pharmacies, medication de la pharmacie. We can also, maybe if there is any new stock, the pharmacy wants to add, they can do it here. Profile, general profile, to do it here. Please let me just change the language, I'm sorry. Create a pharmacy, as you can see. If you want to check the orders that people have placed, you could see it here, the drugs categories. If you want to add a category, a scheduled pharmacy opening and closing time, manage pharmacist, pharmacy drug, manage pharmacy, add to stock, create a drug, home profile, drug, etc., prescription, setting, etc. So this is actually what we have as far as the project is concerned. And also this particular web app is also linked to the mobile application. So which implies that if any user, if you have an account with maybe on the web app, if you don't want to download the mobile application, you don't need to create another account again. All you need to do is to log in with your credentials that you initially created your account with, and you will have access to the platform. So there is no difference with the only difference with the web app and the mobile application is that with the mobile application, you can log in with any device. You don't need to download the application, be it with Android phone, be it with your computer, be it with Apple phone. You can lock it with any device, but with the mobile, you only have to download the application. And as I said, we are trying to see on how users can even have access to this application, to the Android version when they are offline, because of the challenges that we face. Maybe at times you might need our services and you don't have data, you won't be able to do it. And also the network also in some parts in Cameroon and Africa is not actually the best. And so if it is available offline, it's really going to help our users have access to the platform at any time they want to do it. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for this demo. Thank you.